Hey everybody, it's Mr. Bushido again with another short video at K-Rider Geek Nation News. We'll be the latest tutorials of Kamen Rider, Super Sentai Anime, and also Kishiri Tokusei Monsters, aka Kaiju. This we're going to be doing Super Sentai toy review, and it's Tokkyuge, that aired from 2014 to 2015. And this is of the SG Candy Toys from series 1 to 5. So let's get started. Henshin! Hey everybody, this is Mr. Bushido again with another short video. K-Rider Geek Nation News. Well, I just said that already. So this, again, this is the Tokkyuge Candy Toys. It's SG Candy Toys, and this is from Series 1 to 5. Now, these are all different mix. And you want to ask, why am I doing a video about this already, about series that ended, well, a while ago? Well, the reason is because I like doing candy toy reviews, but I haven't done it in a while. And you know what? I really want to do these, because I had these for the longest time. Now, I got mine's not online, so that's why they're different series from 1 to 5. Because I go to the local Japanese market or the anime store. I go to that, see if they have them. So every time I went, they had already a next series, so it was always mixed. But I didn't care. I always try to get as many as I could. So let's open these babies out and try the sound effects. So the first one we're gonna open is, well, technically they already are open because I already tried these babies. Russia Green. Now, Russia Green is okay. Now, these again, they're candy toys. The difference is they're the same mold, it's just a little bit lighter, and they don't transform as the DX ones that add with the Megazord. That's pretty much it. Now, the next one I'm going to try is Russia Drill, and this belongs to Tokkyuge 6. Now this is Russia Police. It's one of my favorites, one of my top 5 favorites. So let's try this baby out. Now, one of the reasons I like this one is because of this. You're gonna see right now. One of my favorite reasons why. This is Russia Pink, and let's try this baby out now. Like I said again, these are all basic, the same as the DX ones. The difference is that they're lighter, and the color's a little bit different. Comes to the color. Out of that, it's pretty much the same mold and everything. Oh, my bad. I don't know why I did that. It was actually pretty fine. And this is actually Energy Russia. And this is actually combined to what's it called, for their own, they come out with their weapons, and it's really cool because depending on the episode, this actually transforms to any kind of object. I remember one of them was like a statue of for good luck or some a charm, and actually just destroys the villain of the creature, and it's really funny. It's hilarious. This is Russia Blue, series 1, the first series actually. So let's try this baby out. Huh, what was that? That was weird. Finally, the final one, it's my favorite one of all, and it's Safari Russia Lion, and this actually is from the movie. If you guys haven't seen it yet, you gotta see it. It's not that long, it's only like 26 minutes, and it's Tokkyuge Galaxy Lion SOS. It's really cool. I really do like it, and I'm happy I actually found this when I got it. I was like really like psyched. I'm like, yes, I got it, I got the lion, my favorite one. So let's try this baby out. It's just a Safari, but when you use the silver button to summon it, you know, the Megazord. So cool. You gotta love that. So that's it. Thank you for watching this. Now, like I said, these are really cool. Now, they're not, like, Tokkyuge wasn't one of the favorites in the community. I don't know why. I liked it. I know there's a few people who didn't like it too. These, honestly, you can still find them online for a really good price, under $8 or $9. It's just the shipping's another $8 and $9, so you're actually paying $20, $21. But there are those rare occasions where people sell a couple dozen for like $8 or $9 or $12 or $13, and then that's when if you still want to collect these, go for it. I know cons still sell them. You ever see them at cons? You should definitely try to get some, because I actually got a few at the con I went to, an anime expo con, and so it's still not that old series. Even if the series already ended and the toys are discontinued, sellers still sell them, so there's a chance you still will find it for a good price. So thank you for watching this. This is Mr. Bushido signing out K Rider Geek Nation News. We'll be the latest to the oldest of Kamen Rider, Super Sentai, anime, and comic book toy review, and also occasionally Tokase monsters, aka Kaiju. Goodbye, YouTube world.